Millions of pencils are made every day, but very few people know what happens inside the factory.
Watch the left side. Clear on this end, keep it coming down. All right, secure that load.
Every pencil begins with carefully selected cedar wood.
See this knot here? It's a little large for grade A. Yeah, noted. Let's check the moisture on the next stack.
The wood is cut into thin slats that will eventually become pencils.
This seam isn't aligned properly. See the gap? I see it. Set it aside, we'll check the next batch.
The wood and graphite are finally ready. Next, you'll see how these separate materials become real pencils. The graphite core is carefully placed into each wooden slat. Another wooden layer is added, trapping the graphite safely inside.
See this hairline scratch right here? Check the depth with the stylus.
Okay, I see it. The reading is within tolerance.
At this stage, the pencils are hidden inside the wood, but still need their final shape. Pencils are finally shaped. Next, you'll see how they get their famous yellow color and brand markings. Now the pencils receive the iconic yellow color, recognized around the world. pencil receives multiple coats for durability and appearance.
Check the schematic for zone 3. Okay, reading 180, that's within tolerance now.
The paint is cured and hardened before the pencils receive their brand markings.
With branding complete, the pencils are ready for one final feature.
Look at this chip right here. Yeah, toss that one. These look good to go.
From cedar wood and graphite to millions of finished pencils, you've seen the complete journey behind one of the world's most familiar tools. From cedar wood and graphite to millions of finished pencils, you've seen the complete journey behind one of the world's most familiar tools. After inspection, the pencils move to automated packaging lines, capable of packing thousands of pencils every hour. Each package is sealed and prepared for shipping. Advanced robots carefully organize and package each pencil set for stores around the world. Within hours, these pencils will be shipped to schools, offices, and stores across America. The packaged pencils are boxed and prepared for distribution.